Hello, welcome to my presentation of the Ultimate Home Theater Personal Computer, or HTPC. My name is Matthew Hansen. For this presentation, I'll be introducing you to a few different Media Center applications. But first, I'd like to introduce you to a piece of hardware that this project is based on: the Raspberry Pi. It's a computer the size of a credit card, and for this project will be used as the front end for my HTPC. The Raspberry Pi will be running the RasBMC operating system, which is basically the XBMC Media Center program stripped down for the use on the lightweight Pi. The software has a great user interface and is easy to use. For this project, I want to turn it into a wireless home theater, and with some work, this can be done by tweaking RasBMC. But I am lazy. I want to tweak as little as possible and kick back and just enjoy my Media Center. Fortunately, there's another application out there that has done most of the work for me: Plex. Plex is another great Media Center application based on XBMC. So when installed on the RasBMC, I'm running a program based on XBMC inside an operating system based on XBMC. XBMception, anyone? It works beautifully. This is a screenshot of the Plex Home Theater. This is the application that runs on my TVs at home. And here we have a screenshot of the Plex Media Server interface. The server is a wonderful tool that allows for the organization of the media library. Another great feature of Plex is how insanely available it is. Plex Inc. has developed apps for Windows 7 and 8, Mac, Linux, Roku, LG and Samsung Smart TVs, iOS, Android, Windows Phone, Apple TV, Google TV, and just 2 days ago added an app for Google's new Chromecast. It says on Plex's website, if it has a screen, Plex probably works on it, and so far I have to agree. One thing that drew me to trying out Plex was how they seem to go above and beyond with their applications. For example, the on-the-fly transcoding. When you're outside of your network, your Plex app, using your Plex app, say on your phone, and you click to watch a file that's 1080p, since the phone doesn't have that many pixels, the Plex Media Server will convert that file on the fly to a resolution, frame rate, and file type that is optimized for the particular phone you're using. And if your service diminishes, it will automatically reduce the quality to keep your file playing. While installation is not as simple as plug and play, it's easy enough for a non-tech savvy person to get up and running with the help of a few websites and tutorials. Of course, you will first need the Raspberry Pi. I use the Model B, which costs $35. To install the operating system, you need to download the image from Raspberry Pi's website. And if you're using Windows, use a free open source application called Win32 Disk Imager to place the image correctly on an SD card. After booting the Pi, you will need to get the Plex app on it. Download the Plex app from the official Plex website, and then you'll need to FTP the program over to your Raspberry Pi. I use a freeware FTP program called FileZilla. Once the file is on the Raspberry Pi, you simply need to enable it, enter your username and password, and then your media library is at your fingertips wherever you go. In addition to your movie library, Plex can connect you to your home iTunes library wherever you are, and has a number of add-ons to connect to television channels and online media. There are apps for Pandora, Netflix, most major TV channels, and lots of niche programming, for example, StarCraft and poker TV channels. In short, Plex creates the ultimate home theater PC experience, and the ultimate away-from-home theater PC experience, and it does it both nearly flawlessly. I highly advise checking them out. Thanks for your time.